How's it going, everyone? So following the unboxing video of the Hero 10, we're gonna have a little look and unbox the travel kit that I bought to go with it. As mentioned in the previous video, it's not sponsored. I've just bought all this Hero 10 gear, GoPro gear. I did start this a minute ago but had to stop the head. That's why it's partially opened already. So before I open, I suppose that's the front and that's the back. So why can't I get it out? It says it's got a lifetime warranty. I'm not sure how, if you've got to activate that or the terms and conditions of that, but what am I missing? I think it's a case of rip. This isn't the most glamorous unboxing you've probably ever seen. Just the case, or the cardboard packaging, which is nice. So the bag is a much softer to the GoPro one. Really nice little bag actually. It's got a little zip compartment there. It says lifetime warranty at the top, so I suppose that's something I should read. So we've got the GoPro attachment and the thumb screw. So there and there. So we've got the really well packaged. I have to say, all the GoPro stuff I've opened so far has been really well packaged. So we've got the little GoPro Shorty, and we've got the magnetic swivel bracket there. So there's a, I'm guessing that's a little divider if you take all this cardboard out. Really cool packaging. I think that's everything that comes in this pack. I think that's just cardboard. I'm assuming this is a little divider thing. You can do something like that, put that like that, and etc. Anyway, so there's the little bag. As I said, this one is it's like a soft bag. A good addition to the kit. So let's have a little look at the magnetic clip. So it swivels in terms of, I think maybe this part. Yeah, so this part swivels, which obviously you would attach that to in your camera. That's actually quite a clip on that, quite a bit of strength on that. So that's the clip. It's got nice little rubber teeth there, and the magnet, definitely quite a strong little magnet on that. So that's pretty cool. I can tag that to the side of my car or something, or a digger or something like that when I'm doing stuff. So the other little bit here is the Shorty. So you got the little, I suppose that's as small as it can go. So you'd have the GoPro attached to that. So that's really small. So if you just wanted to get a real low down shot or just have it sat, or it extends somehow. I've never used one of these before. So it just extends like that. So then you got a little stand, or you can close it just for holding the camera. So you're not holding it like, so you wouldn't be holding the camera like that. You can hold it like that a bit better. So that's what's in there. So you get the Shorty, the magnetic swivel clip, an attachment for the clips. This is my first GoPro setup, so I'm a little bit new to all the GoPro stuff, so I'm really excited to use it all. And then obviously you put it on and jobs are good, and I think. But yeah, that's what's in the travel kit. So if you haven't seen the unboxing of the GoPro 10, then go check out that video. Let's just chuck those in there. I've got a few more bits coming. It's still quite a big bag. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of room there to chuck some more stuff in. And we've got a few more bits and pieces to look at. So we'll go check out these bits in another video. But thanks very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.